welcome back to the official Temple University YouTube channel. My name is Delia and I'm a sophomore here at Temple. And for this video, I'm going to be giving you a tour of the view at Montgomery. I've lived here for my sophomore year, so I figured why not show you guys around. So although the view is technically located off campus, it really is on campus. It's right next to the tech center. It's across the way from Tuttleman, and it's right down the street from the student center, so honestly, it's a very ideal location. It's also located right next to campus police. And underneath the view, there are some dining options. So there's Chipotle, there is Potbelly, there's also a Kava coming soon. And I'm very sad that I won't be living here when that opens, but it's right on campus, so I'll probably stop by anyways. And then there's also Old Nelson. So for security and safety, you do have to tap in to open the door as well as at the front desk. Here is the lobby space, and down here there are study rooms which you can book, so if you don't want to make the trek to the library, you can just go downstairs here. There is also this coffee station, and I know people that literally use this every single day. And here is the office where you will pick up packages and go there for any leasing information. Down here past the mailboxes, there's also a gym, which again is really nice, especially when it's cold and dark and you don't want to walk all the way to the gym. You can just go downstairs. On the third floor, if you go down this hallway, there is some more study space. This is a computer lounge. And every floor has a trash room and a laundry room, and the laundry is free. Up on the 14th floor, there is the Sky Lounge, which is like all the other amenities available to all residents. This is a really nice space to study, and there's a really beautiful view of the city. And through these doors, there's even more study space. So taking a look into my apartment, there are a couple of different floor plan options, but I live in a 4-bedroom. It's really nice because each of my roommates, we have our own sink, and then there's 2 bathrooms shared between the 4 of us as well. One reason I might suggest living in the view in your sophomore year is that it's furnished, so you don't have to worry about getting furniture just yet. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tour of the view, and this video is actually going to be my last on the Temple University YouTube channel. So I just wanted to say thank you to anybody that has watched any of my videos. Thank you guys so much. Bye!